Ping pong racket. Killerspin is the leader in table tennis equipment, the perfect ping pong paddle set for beginners, kids and guests. Table tennis paddle. These Killerspin ping pong paddles have a 5-layer wood blade construction. The jet basic rubbers are designed for recreational ping pong players who want to improve their game and dazzle the competition. Table tennis rackets. Killerspin's paddles are ideal for learning basic strokes and perfecting ball control. The rackets have a balanced design and comfortable flare grip that feels natural in your hand. Professional paddle. This paddle also features flexible PVC tape, which surrounds the racket edges for additional protection when less experienced players use this racket. Perfect for gifting. The perfect gift for any ping pong table owner or beginning player. It is also the perfect addition to your personal table tennis equipment collection. Top reviews from the United States. Elevate your game. The green will make your backspin deadly. Great paddle for skilled players that play for fun. At this price, this paddle has exceeded all expectations. Crazy control allowed me to improve my game and my backspin. My defense too has gotten much better. One side of the paddle has more cushion for defense, green, and backspin, and the black side is harder, which allows me to go on the attack with greater speed. I'll take my paddle over any of the top 10 paddles on the internet. Lastly, the white case it comes in is great to protect the paddle. It's not bulky but it's strong.